Have you ever wondered if you could clean a big building like this? Today we're gonna do a walk around and we're gonna show you the steps to how to clean a building like this, kind of how to bid it, things that we need to do so that way we can be successful at bidding it. And you can see that as I show this building, building, but it's not nothing huge. And so today Al up here in Dayton, Ohio is going to clean this building, and we're doing kind of a ride along with him. And right now it's kind of shaking in his boots because he's like, is this project really, can I do it? And my answer is yes, you can do it. And so we'll be talking about this of the steps we do, and it'll kind of be a time lapse of this building of how we're cleaning it. And I'll talk a little bit of different things about, you know, some things that we got to worry about when we're bidding big commercial jobs. One is where's our water source? Do we have water sources on several places of the building? If not, then we got to find water source. Another thing, do we have a lot of cameras, a lot of stuff that we got to worry about tearing up? And this building's got a few, but it's not got a lot, so that's a good thing for us. You can see here it is really dirty, and the after pictures of this building will look amazing. This building will look brand new. This building's been here probably 20 years old and has never been cleaned. And so this is the amazing thing about this building when we're doing this stuff is how we can make it look brand new. You can see down here on the bottom, you know, and at the end of the day, you know, this looks like a big long wall right here, all the way down here, but most of it is all windows. So all we got to do really is spray the bottom, spray the top, keep the windows wet, and we're ready to go. When we're dealing with big buildings like this, it's a good thing to try to have either the window cleaner to go ahead and come right after, or a water fed pole sometimes work on these, but sometimes those seals at the top of these windows will drain down and make a mess. Now this building here probably wouldn't be too bad, but where I had issues is like we have windows on top of windows, and when you start cleaning these, it drains down and it makes a mess. And so it's a pain in the neck, and it's not an easy thing to do. So these windows probably wouldn't be too bad with a water fed pole. We could get an extra $2,000 of cleaning windows to add to our job. So this job here, he bid it, I believe it's at $13,000. It was a little bit more than I probably would have bid it, but hey, he got it, and that's the amazing thing about it. You know, what I tell people to bid stuff at, you may be able to get more than that. You know, maybe the source of who you are dealing with, maybe it's one of those things of you know, how he got this job is he's a school teacher. He's been a school teacher for 30 some years. He got this job by cleaning the dude's house, and when he cleaned the dude's house, the house is like, man, I own this business, why don't you come out and give me a bid? And the beautiful thing about, he got this building, and his dude's got friends that's got buildings across the street. And so this is the awesome thing about doing commercial and stuff like that. Yes, is this a big job? Yes, it's a huge job. Is this a job that can't be done, or, you know, is one of those jobs of, you know, I don't know if I can do this, or is it? Yes, we can do that. And so when we're walking around our building, first off, you know, this side here is going to be a little bit of a pain. It's got a lot of stuff in the front of it. It's got issues of that kind of thing. So this here is going to be a little bit tricky, but can it be overcome? Yes, it can be overcome. You're going to have to get, you're probably going to, as bad as it is, you're probably going to have to hit it maybe one, especially up there at the top. That's where you're going to have to hit it just one more time. Right. That's where you're going to have to hit it one more time. These commercial jobs, we can have lots of help, but it don't always help us at the end. And so a lot of it you can see in my other video where I'm kind of pushing and doing them. So we did a quarter of this building in less than an hour, and that was getting the ponies going and dog and pony show and all that kind of stuff. And so when you get good at this stuff, we're able to really push and get these jobs done quickly, and that is the goal at the end of the day. And some of it is when we're dealing with this stuff is we have to, if we don't have a big bleach tank, is filling up that bleach tank, doing that kind of thing. Do it one more time.
Hey, I'm thirsty, dog. Where am I putting it?
In the hole.
All the way?
Yeah, fill it all the way full.
Where the hair's at? Well, the younger generation might be a little different.
Did you see my? Are you 26?
Younger generation. My daughter's about your age.
So you're 26?
Yes, sir.
So how long did you work in the mortgage company?
A year.
A year?
1 year.
Didn't like that, huh? Where'd you go to college at?
Yes, sir. I went to Indiana State. I played football. So I went to Indiana State and then I transferred to University of Findlay, which is up north
Gotcha.
of Ohio.
Man, I got all them bubbles. See, that's why.
I miss being 26.
I wish I could back to 26 and I could actually move.
Oh, look, 26. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Black
Yeah.
don't crack is what they say, right?
My oldest
It's like
40.
Asian
Believe
people.
it or
They
not,
can be
my-
110. They look like they're 27.
Believe it or not, my mom's a little blonde.
Is she really?
Yeah. Every time they see me, they're like, or I used to always go to the hospital or whatever because I had something wrong, but they were like, we need to talk to his biological mom. And mom was like, she would start getting mad and like, he came out of me.
Oh, that's funny. Where is my camera at, my other one?
Yeah, right here.
I'm having to do all Al's work so he can get this thing done. I got to get it done in one day because I told him he could get it done in one day.
You know,
Thank you.